Hey answers! Ever felt like studying is a never-ending boss battle? Well, today, we're unlocking the cheat codes, better study habits, staying motivated, and beating procrastination, all at once. Plus, we're breaking down the technical and operational definitions of key study terms so you really get what they mean. Ready? Let's go!
Study habits, technical definition, the consistent behaviors and strategies a student employs to learn and retain information effectively. Operational definition, specific actions such as time management techniques, note-taking methods, active recall strategies, review schedules, and the environment in which a student studies.
Active learning, technical definition, learning methods that actively engage the learner in the learning process rather than passively receiving information. Operational definition, techniques like summarizing information, teaching the material to someone else, applying knowledge to real-life scenarios, and using self-testing methods.
Procrastination, technical definition, the act of delaying or postponing tasks or responsibilities, often leading to negative consequences. Operational definition, delaying studying until the last minute, resulting in rush work, poor performance, and increased stress.
Self-testing, technical definition, a learning technique where students test their own knowledge and understanding of the subject. Operational definition, using practice questions, flashcards, or quizzes to access one's knowledge and identify areas needing further reviews.
There are two meanings of academic performance, its technical definition and the operational definition. The technical definition of academic performance means it's the measure of a student's achievement in their studies, often assessed through grades, test scores, and other academic assessments. While the operational definition means it's the score or grade a student receives on tests, assignments, and projects, their overall general average, and their ranking within their class.
Apply, technical definition, using acknowledge or skill in a practical context or situation. Operational definition, solving problems, completing projects, or engaging in a real-world activity that require the use of learned concept.
Motivation, technical definition, the driving force or a reason behind persons, actions, or behavior, often related to goals and desires. Operational definition, as students, intrinsic desire to learn and succeed academically, which influences their efforts and persistence.
Goal setting, technical definition, the process of defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Operational definition, creating a clear academic goals such as aiming for a specific grade in a course or mastering a particular concept.
Distraction, technical definition, anything that diverts attention from a primary focus, hindering concentration and productivity. Operational definition, specific things that interrupt a student's study session, such as social media notifications, noisy environments, interruption from others, or internal thoughts and worries.
Assessment, technical definition, the evaluation or estimation of the nature, quality, or ability of someone or something. Operational definition, the specific methods used to evaluate students' understanding, including quizzes, projects, presentations, observations.
And that's game over for procrastination. And that's game over for procrastination. Hope this helps you level up your learning. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and tell me, what's your biggest study struggle? Catch you on the next one.
Sir! Go!